So using multimedia in the classroom is effective for student achievement and learning because it does a couple things. Students have multiple ways of learning things. So Gardner's multiple intelligences tell us that some students are auditory, some students are visual, and some students are kinesthetic. And so using multimedia in the classroom can address all of those issues. And if we don't have a visual representation of what we're talking about in the classroom, it's hard for the kids to picture what it is that we're saying to them. In a study by Ravenley and Park, they found that when students are doing presentations, they're not only more engaged in their work and in their learning and have more ownership of it, but they also are gaining valuable presentation skills, oral presentation skills. Park discusses in an article about using video in the science classroom that when students can see things presented in multiple ways, there's a better chance that they're going to understand the concept. Frost wrote an article called "How Many Animations of States of Matter Does It Take to Change a Light Bulb?" in 2007, which is a great title. He talks about, again, science concepts, video in the science classroom, very, very effective for increasing student understanding of complicated concepts in physics. Colombo and Colombo have sort of a different approach to why video is so important, and they talk about differentiating instruction. So they talk about a model classroom. It's a science classroom, a middle school classroom, where they have students who are, they have IEPs, there's students that are ELL, and there's GATE students all in the same classroom. And so using multimedia and internet, particularly blogs in this instance, they could differentiate instruction for all the students, and it was relatively easy. It's not possible when you have a classroom of 38 students to differentiate instruction for every student 5 periods a day. But when you use multimedia tools, it's totally possible to differentiate instruction for every single student because the students are self-selecting and the students take ownership of their learning. The teacher provides the opportunities for the students, and the students take advantage of those opportunities as they're presented. Using multimedia tools in the classroom is very effective for student learning in the science classroom. We need to find ways to address all the learning needs of these students.